Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make zip file in Google Drive. So for this what you need to do is create a folder first. For example, I will click on the new button from here. Then you have to click on the new folder option and I am just naming it to the zip. Then you have to click on the create option from here. Then you have to wait couple of seconds to make the folder since it takes couple of time. Then what you can do is just simply drag out the file to this zip file, and after that what you can do is just keep two file here, and then you have to click on the download option from here, and after that you will see that the file is already zipping here. The second method is you can directly upload the zip file here. So for this you have to go to the screen here, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the new option, then you have to click on the zip archive and simply name it as you want. So for example, I'm just naming it this, and then you have to drag on something there here, and then after it you have to click on the new button from here, then you have to click on the file upload, then you have to wait in the desktop, and then here you can see that zip file, and you can simply upload it, the zip file. Here you can see the zip file is already uploaded. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.